Best air fryer, home appliance famous in the world. The top 10 we've tried of the world. Best air fryer, the famous home appliance top 10 we've tried of the world. Hi, guys, welcome back to my channel. In this videos we are going to look at the top 10 air fryers available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research and customer review. We have considered their quality, features and values when narrowing down the best choices. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check links in the description box below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Give it a thumb up if you did. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I will see you guys very soon. If you love crispy chicken or speedy fish finger dinners, the best air fryer will transform your home cooking game. Our top 10 best air fryers come from brands like Ninja, Instant, Cosori, and Philips, and while every model in this guide has been highly recommended by our expert reviewers, before you make your choice, there are some key differences to consider. Air fryers function similarly to convection ovens in that they circulate air around your food, evenly cooking it from all sides. While a result, any fat you put in the air fryer will circulate around your fries, poultry, or fish as it cooks, resulting in crisp and crispy results. Air fryers usually come with an inbuilt basket that allows air to circulate beneath your food while also cooking it from above and to the side. You can remove this in the Ninja Dual Zone and use the tray as a conventional oven tray to give a crisp, cheesy top to a pasta bake or roast vegetables and potatoes for quick meal times. Many of the greatest air fryers have drawer-style designs, allowing you to remove the cooking basket to shake your chips or onion rings while they cook. Others include rotisserie functions in their mini oven designs, which are ideal for a special Sunday meal. Several of our top air fryer selections have multi-drawer designs, allowing you to cook your fish in one drawer while making chips in another. How do air fryers work? More quick meal prep appliances can be found by looking at the finest microwaves. How do you choose the best air fryer for your needs? Examine the air fryer's functions and programs. Look for temperature and timing settings that are simple to use, as these are the most critical aspects of any air fryer. Although auto stop and keep warm modes are convenient, chips that are left unattended for an extended period of time may quickly lose their crispiness. Touch screens, rather than dial controls, will be used on more expensive devices, which will improve precision. What else should I be on the lookout for? The larger the volume of the basket, the more people you can feed. If you have a family, a 5-liter machine is generally unnecessary. If you are utilizing the time to do something else, a loud beep to announce the end of cooking time is a smart idea. Most air fryers can only cook one food type at a time, but some can cook an entire meal in one sitting if you want a one-pot dinner. Are air fryers good for you? Air fryers are only as healthy as the food they cook, but you may rest assured that they are healthier than deep-fat fryers. Air fryers are also great for crisping up your dinner without immersing it in fat. If you want to reduce the amount of oil and fat in your meals, bacon isn't especially healthy, but when cooked in an air fryer, the fat drips away from the meat and into the basket while still rendering and crisping for the perfect bacon sarnie. Air frying is a great method to get more vegetables into your diet. The following are some of the greatest foods to cook in an air fryer. Number 10. Fabuletta 18-in-1 Air Fryer. No. Best digital chicken air fryer. However, there are some advantages to this design. The rotisserie feature was our favorite, as it produced some of the most delicious chicken we've ever had. For roast meals, this is a game changer if you want an even crisp. The shelves must be removed and turned around mid-cook, which is not ideal and can be a little tricky. However, the oven did a fantastic job of crisping up the food, especially when using the frying option. It can also bake and roast in the same way as a traditional oven can. 4 out of 5 stars for ideal home. Number 9. The new Wave Brie 15.5 quart large capacity air fryer is the best looking and grill. Reasons to buy: beautiful design and large capacity. We were impressed with how well this air fryer cooked bacon and other meats, but it took longer to cook chips than typical air fryers. The timings were similar to those of a conventional oven. Both the tray and the non-stick basket can be washed in the dishwasher. 3.5 out of 5 stars for ideal home. Number 8. Instant Vortex Plus Dual Basket Air Fryer. Best premium air fryer. Purchase for the following reasons: smart design and see-through cooking doors and simple controls. Avoid for the following reasons: very bulky. Instant's most recent launch is the third to make our top 10 list. It's the company's first dual-door air fryer, and it's a good start. The Instant Vortex Plus Dual Basket Air Fryer includes 2 dishwasher-safe baskets that look similar to the Ninja Fude Dual Zone, but it has simpler controls that are much easier to use. The oven has a preheat time and a reminder to shake halfway during the cooking zone, which is a simple way to ensure that your food is cooked to perfection. Midway through the frying period, we discovered that our chips needed to be shaken up, so the reminder came in handy. After only 10 minutes of using the preset, ideal home rating, 5 out of 5 stars. Number 7. Philips Essential Air Fryer. Best air fryer for small kitchens. Avoid for the following reasons: it costs more than some other low-cost alternatives. If you're looking for the best air fryer for a tiny kitchen or a 2-person family, go no further than the Philips Essential Air Fryer. It was on par with some of the larger and more pricey brands in this ranking in terms of cooking quality. There are several cooking modes available, including fish, meat, frozen meals, and reheat, as well as the ability to manually set the temperature. The pricing, especially compared to comparable small air fryers, was one of our major complaints. However, with grooves that make it easy to handle and store, as well as a lightweight design, it is clearly suited for smaller kitchens and houses. 4 out of 5 stars for ideal home. Number 6. Emerald Lagasse 26 QT Extra Large Air Fryer. The best barbecue air fryer. Reasons to buy: stylish controls and all the features of a small oven and an excellent space-saving design for a great rotisserie. With a grill attachment, the Emerald Lagasse 26 QT Extra Large Air Fryer offers an air fryer alternative that lets you cook a whole chicken in under an hour with crispy skin and juicy meat. Emerald Lagasse 26 QT doesn't design you a Q pot for a Q pan, doesn't make a lacquer time like a TV commercial. It's a streaming oven because it's going to hype the little mesh metal for the little stir fry. It can use the fryer. Number 5. Instant Vortex Mini Air Fryer. Best air fryer for 2 people. Purchase for the following reasons: excellent value for money, simple to use, and bright and cheerful design can be used for more than just air frying. Avoid for the following reasons: the tiny capacity may not be suitable for all users. We were first in line to review this new model when it released in the UK, because Instant Brands is recognized for producing outstanding air fryers and smart countertop appliances in the United States. The Instant Vortex Mini Air Fryer not only wowed us with its price, but it also performed admirably in our tests. Despite its low capacity, it was able to uniformly air fry our chips halfway through with just a shake or two from us. This air fryer is ideal for households with little space. It includes a removable basket liner that can drain bacon fat and chicken juices, but when you remove it, you can bake, roast, and even reheat in this beauty. Ideal home rating, 5 out of 5 stars. Number 4. eazy 201 Food 8-quart 6-in-1 Dual Zone 2 Basket Air Fryer. This is a great option for most kitchens. What's better than having an air fryer? The eazy 2028 Dual Zone Air Cooker has 2 food zones, allowing you to fry the air fry separately, or toast side dishes like macaroni and fish sticks while the air is aired. One can keep your food in sync to ensure that all matching foods are prepared for you. Its Max Crisp option is for frozen foods, and we discovered that it produced next-level frozen chips, fish fingers, and other freezer mainstays. It's also a cooker. Ideal home rating, 4.5 out of 5 stars. Number 3. Drio Air Fryer Pro Max, 11-in-1 Digital Air Fryer Oven. Make yogurt, dried fruit, grilled steak, poultry to your liking for a more personalized cooking experience. purchased for the following reasons. No need to buy another blender for a different purpose. Trio is an all-rounder with temperatures from 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 cooking modes and 6 presets. Make yogurt, dried fruit, grilled steak, poultry to your liking for a more personalized cooking experience. Free recipe packs for 100 dishes includes recipes for appetizers, desserts, snacks and side dishes. Open this book and get a quick idea to satisfy your multi-diet cravings. We will continuously update the e-recipes to bring more flavors to your table. The BPA-free coating makes it non-stick and easier to clean. It can be put into the dishwasher for more convenience. Components included: 100 free recipes, insulated basket and non-stick pan. 4 stars out of 5 is an ideal home. Number 2. Cosori Parola Air Fryer L501. Best air fryer under 100 pounds. Purchase for the following reasons: perfectly cooked air fries, ingenious top-of-the-line controls and reminders to shake for even cooking, and easy to clean, removable insert dishwasher safe drawer. Avoid for the following reasons: the default timings are slightly off, but they can be tweaked. The best-selling air fryer on Amazon also performed admirably in our tests. The Cosori Parola Air Fryer L501 boasts a stylish design and number of configurable presets for low-effort cooking. It's also adjustable. Simply push to raise or lower the temperature or set the duration to get the perfect result. The fries cooked by this air fryer on the chip setting were delicious. They were crisp and evenly cooked, and the cooking time was far less than typical, making them a hit for hungry households. We had to reduce it from 20 to 30 minutes as a result, but that was simple enough. On some settings, you'll be reminded to shake your food halfway through. It may be a distraction if you're watching something particularly gripping on TV, but you can just push a button to turn off the reminder for no interruptions. A recipe book with plenty of helpful hints was included with the air fryer. We tried the buffalo cauliflower, chicken wings, and other dishes in the book and found it to be a valuable resource for individuals new to air frying. This is a great option for families because of the enormous capacity. We also liked how the insert makes cleaning the drawer and basket of the Cosori Parola Air Fryer L501 as simple as putting them in the dishwasher. The insert simply lifts out to allow you to reheat sauced foods. 5 out of 5 stars for ideal home. Number 1. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-quart 6-in-1 Air Fryer. Best air fryer for powerful design. Purchase for the following reasons: incredible air frying, plus it does a lot more: smart brush finish and significantly reduces frying time. We've had some of the greatest fries we've ever had. Avoid the following reasons: controls are loud. We were amazed by the speed and deliciousness of the Instant Vortex Plus. It comes with a removable air fryer assembly that fits neatly into the bottom of the air fryer drawer and can be taken out to reheat rice, bake cupcakes, or even baked potatoes for Sunday dinner. The Instant Vortex Plus is a large air fryer, but it can do so much more thanks to its 6 cooking modes. It can even be used to dehydrate yourself. When it comes to preparing frozen meals, we liked how quick the Instant Vortex Plus was. Frozen chicken fillets took 12 minutes to cook instead of 20 minutes, and sweet potato fries took 25 minutes instead of 40. The controls are touch sensitive, and the temperature and time may be adjusted using the dial on the front of the fryer. We thought it was a tremendous joy to look at when left on the kitchen countertops because of the brushed metal surface. 5 out of 5 stars for ideal home. So let me know your favorite one product in the video. So let me know what you think of this video. Please leave a comment in the description box below.